Can this exhaust be bodged? Although my car sounded lovely with a massive hole in the exhaust, it needed to be road legal. I could have got a new one for around £70, but I decided to use my newfound welding skills and try to bodge it. After grinding down the rust to fresh metal, the next stage was to measure this beautiful piece of steel to cover the hole. After taking some precise measurements, I moved on to the grinder for cutting. In true me fashion, I didn't think things through and ended up cutting off the wrong parts, so now I had an extra piece to weld. I was using a flux core welder as I was working outside and also too tight to buy gas. It was on the lowest setting but still blowing holes due to the thin metal on the exhaust. As you can see, it's not the prettiest of jobs and certainly not airtight, so I continued to make a complete mess of it until I ended up with this. Yes, it's ugly, but it saved me £70. Once I put the exhaust back on the car, it was better than with the huge hole, but still blowing slightly. Rather than take it off again, I managed to bodge it further with some exhaust paste, which solved the problem. If you do know what you're doing, please comment below on what I could have done differently, maybe even a bodge rating out of 10. I have plenty more planned for this car, so keep an eye out for the next videos. Thank you for watching.